Welcome to a new makeup tutorial by Angelina for today. She is creating this wonderful and very colorful tiger makeup for us. So this one is pretty easy to create with some powders and some face paints. And if you want to know how to create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in this video. To start out, Angelina has a white face paint on her brush, and this is the Essential White Face Paint by Diamond Effects. And with this, she is creating the white base for the makeup. And as you can see, this is not very opaque because she still wants to put white over it that shows over the base. So once everything is white, we continue to shadows, and the shadows are just eyeshadow powders by Pierrot. These are the intense powders. They have a few different palettes and Angelina is using 2 of these palettes. I will put links to those in the description box down below so you can check them out, but she is just creating the base of the tiger with the different shadows. So as you can see, she is kind of contouring her face with the shadows, light and dark, changing the shape of the nose as well. And creating a lovely blue eyeshadow. So here is the first step done. Then with a black face paint, this one is the Essential Black by Diamond Effects. Here are the first stripes of our tiger. So the eyebrows and also the cat eyes. A few tiger lines on the forehead. And once they are on there, we go back to the shadows. So still the intense palettes by Pierrot and a black star blend as well, just to put some more depth in this look. So here is one of those lovely palettes, just to show you what they look like, of course. Now the forehead is done. Angelina continues to the nose. So she puts a purple powder on the nose and then outlines it in black. That gives a lovely effect for the tiger nose. And then we go on to a few tiger stripes. So Angelina is recreating the mouth of the tiger because it has a large open mouth. And surrounding that, there is a purple shadow. Loads of little dots, of course, for the whiskers. First put in all of those dots and then put the hairs in there. A highlight on the nose with white and white stripes for the whiskers as well. And as you can see, that creates a lovely depth in that area of the face paint. Just some details on the nose using a detail brush. And then we are drawing out the new mouth for our tiger. All of the teeth go on the skin first because they are white, of course. And Angelina chooses to outline them with black before she colors the inside of the mouth black as well. A new bottom lip for the tiger and a shadow around that lip to show it off a bit better. Finally, some tiger stripes on the cheek. And then it's time to continue to the neck. So the white was the base and Angelina is just surrounding that with all of the same eyeshadow powders used on the face as well. So just make it a colorful rainbow and you will be good. The tiger stripes all coming from the neck onto the chest. They all go in the same direction. And once they are all on there, Angelina finishes off her look by putting on a purple wig. And with that, her rainbow tiger makeup tutorial for today is finished. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day and of course I hope to see you back next time.